Cool. All right. There we go. Everything's done. Everything's good. All right. Let's get this started. Welcome, welcome everybody. เดี๋ยวจะมีข่าวนะฮะตอน2 ทุ่มครึ่งนะครับผมเดี๋ยวจะมีข่าวตอน2 ทุ่มครึ่งนะฮะso that's gonna be due at like 8:30. Chanton is actually playing golf right now. Yeah. You play tennis, by the way?
I play tennis, yes. I mean, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I used to play tennis in Wales school. Then I
Oh.
a couple of times on the computer.
Oh, okay. So you have a racket and everything then?
No,
No?
I
Oh, okay, rent. Okay.
I'm actually like trying to like start a padel.
The what?
Padel. Padel. Have you heard about it? Padel.
Oh, that yeah. I know.
Not
The
the pickleball.
not the pickleball?
Not the pickleball. Padel. It's a like.
No, I have not heard of that. No.
It looks like this one, but like also there's a wall. You like it's really intense. That like if you hit on the wall, you still can hit back.
Huh.
It make the game like more like third-dimensional.
Okay.
Pretty fun.
Nice. Nice.
I play tennis sometimes because padel is not like began to popular in the world.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay, perfect. So you're gonna wait 1 second. I'm just gonna tell my live now. Okay, perfect. All right, here we go. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody to our live trading session today. And without a further ado, let's see what we got here. We are still waiting 18 more minutes before the actual news coming on. So perfect. Hey, saying hi. Hello. If you're here, say hi. And so I know if everybody with me right now. So far right now we are not doing anything. We are just waiting because so far today it has been sideways the whole day. As you can see, it doesn't. This is on like a 5 minute, and it doesn't really going off the river at all. Doesn't. So in case this is something that hey, how you doing? How you doing? So perfect. So here's the thing. If you have a day like today where you know that's going to be a major news, today have the unemployment claim every Thursday, and if everybody is anticipated that news, this is what's going to happen. This is very likely to happen. It is going to just go down, go up, go down within the range, and when you see that, you're going to know the top and bottom, and right now it cannot go past 5200, which means is the channel right here around 5200. Boom. And it cannot go below the 5160, somewhere around here. This seems like to be a demand right now. So there are demand between 5160 and 5200. Of course, all this little small, I'm just going to take this off. We are just going to concentrate with the day today, and today it seems like we have a clear, strong resistance and support right now at around 5200 clear number and 5160. So if the price can break out of this channel and come back to retest it, we're definitely going to play a follow. โอเคครับเดี๋ยวเราจะมาตอนนี้นะฮะเดี๋ยวเราจะรอตอน20:30อีก15นาทีนะฮะถ้าเกิดว่าราคามันเบรกออกจากกรอบนี้ไม่ว่าจะไปทางไหนก็ตามนะครับเราจะเล่น follow เลยนะฮะถ้ามันเบรกขึ้นเราก็จะรอ retest กลับมาแล้วก็เล่น buy ถ้าเกิดว่ามันดีดลงมารอ retest แล้วก็เล่น sell นะครับ so this is my expectation right now check this out boom that's where I would buy right here or it could go the other way. I'm just gonna mark uh, okay, mark this as a sell order. All right, I'm just gonna go making this. Nope, that's a bad color though. Gonna make this blue. There we go. Gonna make this blue, and this one is gonna be yellow. Okay, so that's the plan. That's the plan for today. After we execute this plan, we're done for the day. How's that? Gonna be a quick win today. Gonna be a quick win or possibly a quick loss. We'll see. We'll see. Oh my god. I have a really huge headache today, to be honest. Like a really bad headache today.
Oh,
Yeah. Not, yeah, I'm fine. I just after this I'm definitely gonna go for massage. Gonna go for like a head massage. Hopefully the place is not open. Perfect. All right, boys inside. All right, perfect. Yep. Saw you here. So, are we clear on the plan? Definitely. Once the news came at around in about 13 minutes, the price gonna fluctuate really hard here, and we don't want to get the first wave. Definitely, if you want to play a breakout, you might want to catch the first wave because you might not get another chance. However, if you could wait, there will be a nice risk reward that you can have like a clear risk, clear reward that you can actually have a system to work. And that is my system, by the way. Huh. Okay, so while we're waiting 12 minutes, I'm going to explain how this thing is working. Oh, oh no. Okay, perfect. All right. So let me do. Let me make this. There we go. While we're waiting, let's do a little bit of lesson. I wonder if I can actually recording this. Ah, I know. I know what to do. Gotta have my because I'm gonna record this and gonna be on what? I'm gonna be on my winning edge. Nope. That is really bad. Okay. There we go. No, that's not gonna do it. Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna do it off here. All right. Oh, there we go. I can do this. Start recording and switch it over. Yes, no, maybe. Oh, okay. Never mind. I cannot record it. It's fine. I'm just gonna do this after. Technical difficulties. I don't really need to learn that. Okay, we have 10 more minutes. All right. So, here's the thing. I explained the 5 level before, right? when you are coming in as the gambler, learner, and being right now you're a survivor, and this is basically where you are right now. Survive. Most people are at this survival state before they become the executor, and then the top 1%. So, in order for you to have become from the survivor to become the executor, one thing that need to be clear is the your your strategy. You need to have the exact one that you're gonna follow no matter what, and it is something that it's like this. Look, it's like this, that you know what's going to happen. You know, like exactly like this. Like you do know exactly what it will look like and when you will be entering. So you won't be entering randomly. You won't be entering like, oh, it break already and it might go down without me. If the opportunity comes, but it's not, shall we say, it's not your strategy that you selected, don't play. That's the discipline. And that's really hard. So when this is my experience when I first get into trading is I have one of the coach that doing this live trade, same thing. One of them will be doing the breakout trades, and the other will play cap and go. Okay, you don't need to know what that is. It's just the name of the strategy that he was using. So the breakout trader will say like, I'm actually going to be entering right here. And then the gap and go guy will say like, yeah, okay, you can enter there, but if there is a signal, if there is the confirmation, I would be entering sell. So don't don't need to follow like you. If you follow both of them, you'll be like buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell every like every minute of the day, and that's not how you can make money in this market. To make money in this market, you have to have a clear strategy that you know that you're going to follow no matter what. like um uh like Anson, he has the Fed wire, and he was just like he has Fed wire and he has astrology, so he's gonna play that Fed wire and astrology in his trading style, and he be able to backtrack his trades and know the statistic of it. And same thing with me here. I have my Discord strategy. Sorry, my Discord pin bar right here that I show you quite often. However, I don't think I have shown you this. See that? This right here. This is the most important part. It's the risk, the lot size that I'm using, and the rules. I was like, I'm very specific about it. I had my rules. Don't trade until 9 p.m. Of course, right now it's beginning to move a lot faster, but I would still try not to trade before 9 p.m. Or actually, it's going to be 9 a.m. for the Eastern time. And then I would decide on the bias based on the 1 hour candle. So once the 8 o'clock hour finishes, it will show me the bias. It might leave like a pin bar. It might have like a huge green candle. It might do anything that I know that I can predict the next what will the likelihood of the next candle will be, and that's what I'm gonna play on the 9 p.m. hourly charts. Then I wait for the confirmation of the direction, wait for the retest of the turnout, set up the trade, and everything is just history. So that was well, you haven't been here on last Thursday, but last Thursday I was hitting a sell However, I was so um like I was here until like almost midnight to be honest. Because like nobody's here, so I just goof around and I live of course, and then I just thinking like, hey, I might as well just keep on talking. There's nobody here anyway. So and that's a lot of people actually online and sending me a lot of hearts, so that's good. But here's the thing, I was waiting for the right, like for all this setup to be completed, or else I'm not taking a trade. And it was taking me so long. It took me like I sitting there for like 2.5 hours before my trade setup actually showing. During those 2.5 hours, there's a lot of other traders making money already, and I have to accept that because what I shoot is this right here. That's what I shoot. So my strategy is to retest buy, retest sell, and I have to watch a lot of people make money, and I don't making money when they set up stuff complete. So that is the homework for you to actually graduate from level 3 is to have this specific trading style. Okay, and in 4 more minutes, there's going to be news coming in. So we are going to be doing the news first. Then I'm going to go through the level 3 in my course again. Okay, and then you can watch it after, and it'll be pretty self-explanatory. Sounds good. All right, let's go. So we are 3 more minutes before the big news. Ha ha ha. Hopefully nobody have an order yet. We are waiting for the breakout right now. So hopefully nobody has an order. But I'm actually thinking that it's gonna go up. Like right now, I feel like it's gonna go up. All right, perfect. Let's get it going. All right, here we go. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes right now. Boom, boom, boom.เดี๋ยวรออีก2 นาทีนะครับเดี๋ยวรออีก2 นาทีนะฮะช็อตนี้ได้เห็นได้เห็นกันชัดเจนแน่นอนว่าจะไปยังไงจะไปทางไหน one more minute. This is exciting. 15 more seconds and 10, 9, 8. Oh wait, no, that's 28. Okay, one more minute, one more minute, one more minute. เดี๋ยวอีก1 นาทีนะครับอีก1 นาทีนะเดี๋ยวข่าวจะออกละใครมีไม้บายไม้เซลระวังกันด้วยนะครับใครมีไม้บายไม้เซลเนี่ยระวังกันด้วยนะไม่ใช่เดี๋ยวรอนะฮะรอนะฮะรอนะฮะ and 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. Let's see what it's gonna do right now. I'm kind of excited. Uh, 15, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Boom. It's actually going down right now. It is going. Ooh. drop hard right here. Ooh, that drop hard. If it dropped down below 60, we are definitely going down. I actually thought it was gonna go up. If it dropped down below 60, that's the support. If it dropped down below 60, that's the support, man.เดี๋ยวรอดูนะฮะถ้าเกิดว่ามันราคามันต่ำกว่า60นี่คือมันจะทะลุแนวต้านแล้วนะเอ้ยแนวรับแล้วนะทะลุแนวรับนี่ก็คือไปครับ เดี๋ยวรอดูนะฮะรอดูนะฮะมันจะทะลุลงไปหรือเปล่า Dude, it's not going anywhere. It's not doing anything right now. Let me check the unemployment claim. It literally just like sitting there, not doing anything. Okay, the numbers come out green. Should drop. It did drop and then suck all the way back up. I don't have any other confirmation here. Whether it want to go up or down. I don't have any other confirmation right now. Like I'm still biased that it's gonna go up, just from the look of the daily charts, but man, it's not. I don't have any reason to buy right now. That's the problem. So this is what I mean. That I don't have any reason to buy at all. 70 is not strong enough of a support, and it needs to come down to 60 and show me that it cannot break 60 before I start to place a buy order at around 60. It's still, I don't know. If Anton was here, I'm gonna be asking his opinion right now. And do you have any opinion in this? I just I have nothing right now. Dude, this is news. This is the news. How can it doesn't do anything? You know what would work well today? A martingale strategy. Martingale. Yeah, that would work really well today because like it doesn't go anywhere. It's just gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, but don't do it. The only one time that you lose is the time that it blew out the whole account. You could do it on like a small account that you afford to lose, but right now with the way it's swinging, don't do it. It's like you can make like 10,000. Yeah.
So I want to ask, is it okay to ask now, or like should we later?
Oh no, I can do it now.
I'm pretty if I already joined this one, but I didn't join the post. So
Wait, how did you join? Did you pay it already?
no, I didn't pay it yet. But there's two things right for the wait how do you so there's a wolf.
Yes. Yeah.
Also wolf. I think yeah, like I joined this one, but I didn't like you told me that like I will be getting indicated if I join here.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure how I will do it, so I will wait it until like I see you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we can definitely do that. because here's the thing. I have to tell you the condition first, though. The condition is that yeah, you get the all tools for you to promote, but if you cannot, if you promote it and then you did not achieve the sales within the first 3 months, then it's yeah, exactly.
Give the access to the post or
No, those access to the tool to promote.
what's the target?
So the target audience, we're gonna build the target audience by like this live or build community, asking for a friend, and yeah. And if you are coming in as a trader, then it will be you need to purchase it in order to get tools. But if you join the promotion stuff, then we need to see first your channel of where you're going to do the promotion on, and then you joining the ABA100X. Then we are teaching you how to actually do promotion, and then we give you the 3 months grace period. If you do if you did not make a sale, then it means that you not actually do the promotion.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So
yeah.
what's the sales target? Sure.
As well.
Just one.
Yeah. If you get to do one, then they're like, okay, you're in.
What do you mean? One like each 3 months one or like just one?
Just each 3 months.
Each 3
At
months
least one, yeah. Yeah. But that's like the minimum. So what we try to do achieve every quarter is we try to achieve at least like $5,000. So basically like 3 of the yearly sales and stuff like that to get the tools. So yeah.
How much the actually is it?
It's about like 1650 for a whole year. So if you divide it up, it's like $100, roughly $100 a month. So these are free. The one is this one. And if you go full package for a whole year, it's 1650. So yeah, like if you were to just buy it, then you don't have to concern about like I'm gonna make this quarter and stuff like that. But at the same time, if you pay on the ABA100X, then you might get it slightly cheaper. However, you will well, yeah, and then it'd be more like okay, then I'll gonna teach you how to do marketing and then how to promote yourself and then how to build your audience online. So
is the promotion is like how the how to say that like end of the does it have like the how to say the promotion has a due like when you finish the like after you sign up like for the 3 months
yeah, it's after revenue time.
yeah like are there any promotion like if you like when like so if I join now the 3 month period will start now, right?
Yeah.
If I join there 1 month later it's gonna start from there, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be you guys will keep the promotion like that forever?
Yep.
Oh, I see.
Yep. Well, forever might not be. After this, we might change it to only those who purchased it first get to promote the tools.
Oh,
Yeah. We might change it later on, depending on the demands, but right now, yeah, it is.
Can you let me know before you guys change the promotion?
For sure, yeah.
Because like I'm not really like socially active right now.
Okay. Yeah.
Before.
So if you're not doing promotion right now, then I'm just gonna tell you this. Like this is what will be the layout roughly of what the English version will be. But right now we have like the Kickstarter, basically showing you all the ways to make the income. The second is how the roadmap to in 2026, how you're gonna make these incomes. And then mastering your product is basically teaching you all the products. We have like TLS, exactly all the free tools as well that you can take a look at and use. And also we teach you the trading basic as well. Go viral strategy is where you learn how to do short content and be able to get more engagement. YouTube creator is where you're doing the long version and live content. That's what I'm doing right now. Not so well, apparently, but yeah. And then we have like the AI sell mastery, teaching you the OPC, basically how you do the top down. The sales team system is where how you're gonna build a team, like what I'm doing right now. That I'm expanding to like Sunny Hill and all the way to Chiang Mai, doing share expansion, trying to test things out, and then we will do it globally. And then we're gonna do the Relay Pro is where you learn how to manage your incomes. So those are the 10 chapters on how to make it in this business.
I see.
Yeah. so now ตอนนี้นะฮะเข้ามาแล้วคือราคาไม่ไปไหนเลยราคาไม่ไปไหนเลยจริงๆ so sorry boy but I came in right now and what I'm seeing here is that it's not doing anything. I know I did do this little sideway action before the big move, but I didn't expect it to doesn't have any action at all. Look at this. After the news, it moved like from 68 up to like 78. It's like 1,000 point. 1,000 point right now. I don't have like if it go like this, up and down like this, I don't have any clue how to play that. What are we gonna play like top to bottom? That's not that's why I'm saying like martingale would be working best right now, and I am not a big fan of martingale because when you lose big, and I don't want to do that. But that's the only way to make money in this kind of market right now because it's not doing anything. Like it literally is not doing anything right here. นะครับก็จะบอกงี้ว่าตอนนี้ตลาดมันไม่ไปไหนเลยนะคืออยากให้ตลาดมันไปทำอะไรสักอย่างนะแต่ตอนนี้มันคือมันไม่ทำอะไรเลยพอมันไม่ทำอะไรเลยเนี่ยโอ้โหเล่นยากแล้วตอนนี้คือต้องบอกตรงว่าเล่นยากแล้วนะฮะเพราะว่าจะเก็งกำไรทางไหนมันก็ไม่มีเหตุผลมารองรับเลยครับ I'll wait. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'll wait 1 more hour so that it will finish the 9 o'clock, and then it will go up to at least 9:30. If I don't have any order by 9:30, we're done. We're done for the day. It's gonna be a quick day today because like this is insane. How could it doesn't do anything from like this morning from like 55, that's the lowest, to like 205, that's the highest, and that's like what 5,000 points, dude. 5,000 point today, it means no volume นะฮะก็จะบอกอย่างนี้ว่าตอนนี้เนี่ยคือลงมาต่ำสุดของวันนี้คือประมาณ 5,155 สูงสุดของวันนี้คือ 5,205 มันอยู่ที่ประมาณ 5,000 จุดซึ่งถ้าเกิดว่าราคามันเนี่ยไซด์เวย์อยู่อย่างเงี้ยแล้วมันไม่เบรกออกนอกกรอบเหมือนที่ผมวาดไว้ตรงนี้นะฮะผมบอกเลยว่าราคาวันนี้ไม่ไปไหนนะผมมองว่าราคาวันนี้ไม่ไปไหนนอกจากว่ามันเบรกออกกรอบอะแล้วผมถึงจะเล่น follow แต่ถ้ามันไม่เบรกออกกรอบมันไม่ไปไหนเนี่ยผมจะลงไลฟ์ตอน3 ทุ่มครึ่งนะทุกคนเพราะว่าเสียเวลาเอาจริงๆมันไซด์เวย์อย่างเงี้ยผมหาจังหวะเข้ายากมากเลยถ้าเกิดจะหาจังหวะเข้าจริงๆก็คือจะเป็นจุดเซลล์ตรงเนี้ยปลายยอดที่เราต้องเสี่ยงเอาว่าเบอร์มันจะไม่ดีดขึ้นนะซึ่งไม่ใช่แนวผมจริงๆอ่ะก็เลยเดี๋ยวรอดูกันนะฮะ If it doesn't break 60 here, I think we could buy it. Because it really doesn't do anything. เดี๋ยวรอดูนะฮะตอนนี้คือเอ่อไม่รู้เหมือนกันว่ามันจะเลือกทางไหน Hey boy, are you still with me? Are you still with me here? Because like the shot practically doesn't do anything. Like right now, it just flat. It's just flat. So, um, Oh, by the way, it would help if you write down the step that I showed you before. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What classify for you to actually enter the trade? Oh, sure. Yeah, do that, and then it have that somewhere in your like back testing, because that will really remind you that okay, this is my strategy. I'm not gonna enter unless it actually follow the strategy.
Okay,
Yeah.
like I saw you're asking why I joined like begin to trade.
Oh no no
You ask okay.
no. The why you entering the
Yeah.
trade.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, not why are you in trade? No. I know why that. I know the reason on that. I just want to know the process of how you classify that is going to be your trade. Because if you do that, then you will be able to back test it consistently, and that is your setup, your trade setup, and then you can actually go beyond that. And I'll actually gonna do this right after we finish our live trade here today. My God คือทุกคนผมบอกเลยนะมันไม่ไปไหนเลยตอนเนี้ยยังคิดอยู่เลยแล้วว่าจะบายดีไหม ยังคิดอยู่เลยว่าจะบายดีไหมเนี่ยตอนเนี้ยเพราะมันแบบมันเหมือนจะลงเยอะนะแต่มันไม่ลงเลยอะทุกคน เฮ้ยขอบคุณครับขอบคุณคุณชิโรโนะด้วยนะที่กดไลค์รัวๆเลยอ๋อขอบคุณมากเลยครับตอนนี้เทรดเป็นไงบ้างครับวันนี้ได้เทรดไหมวันนี้นี่ถ้าเกิดว่าเล่นแบบเป็นสายกลับตัวกลับไปกลับมานี่คือง่ายเลยนะ Oh hey boy still here nice um right now I don't see a momentum. It does come down like fall fall down here like I expected it to, like right here. But I would say that it's a little too slow for me personally. So if it's a little too slow, it might not work out as well as I planned. Let's wait for it. เกือบหลับแต่กลับมาได้ตอนค่ำค่ะโอเคเออโอ้ยสุดยอดผมบอกเลยวันนี้เหวี่ยงเนี่ยประมาณ5,000 จุดขึ้นลงเนี่ยผมไม่ได้เทรดเลยนะวันเนี้ยผมแค่ผมแวบดูกราฟแล้วผมก็บอกว่าโอเคถ้าผมเทรดวันนี้นะผมเสียแน่นอนตอนช่วงกลางวันนะแต่ตอนช่วงเย็นนี้ผมว่าผมน่าจะหาจังหวะเก็บสักอย่างน้อยสัก1,000 ถึง 2,000 จุดได้อยู่นะ I'm thinking right here 70. I just need one more confirmation. Yep. เดี๋ยวรอสัญญาณช็อตมานะจะรอสัญญาณช็อตอะได้เล่นช็อตละ So right now it's about to break 70, but if it cannot go up above 73 or 74, I'm definitely going to be shutting it down. Gonna be a bit risky play today though. เดี๋ยวรอดูนะครับผมว่าผมจะเล่นเซลล์เนี่ยอาจจะไม่รอถึงมันลงมาถึงตรงนี้แล้วนะเนี่ยอาจจะไม่รอถึงตรงนี้นะผมว่าผมจะเล่นตรงนี้เลยเสี่ยงหน่อยแต่ว่าผลที่ได้รับน่าจะเยอะอยู่นะครับปุ๊บลืมไปนี่คือผมตอนแรกอ่ะผมจะเล่นเซลล์ที่ตรงนี้เนาะตอนนี้ผมจะเล่นเซลล์ตรงนี้ละดูทรงแล้วแบบไม่น่ารอด น่าจะไหลพรวดเลย ใครเข้ามาแล้วฝากกดไลค์กดแชร์ด้วยนะครับ เดี๋ยวผมมาไลฟ์เนี่ยประมาณสักถึงประมาณ3 ทุ่มครึ่งวันนี้ไม่เลทมากนะเพราะว่าเดี๋ยวเราอ่าวันนี้มันเป็นวันที่มีข่าวแล้วก็จริงๆแล้วเนี่ยพอเป็นวันที่มีข่าวเนี่ยผมจะไม่ค่อยอยากจะเทรดนานสักเท่าไหร่นะฮะเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยเดี๋ยวรอ3 ทุ่มแล้วก็ไม่เกิน4 ทุ่มเนี่ยเดี๋ยวจะลงไลฟ์ละนะฮะรอให้ออเดอร์เดียวได้และหายนะครับแล้วเดี๋ยวผมมาไลฟ์ใหม่เรื่อยๆ Damn 70 is not like check this out Kazuki like you see all this like short signal and then finally like that fell then it actually come down so a lot of people who thought that hey this is the top very likely that they are going to lose like lose all the way here 1 2 3 and then finally get the fourth one and I don't like to do that that's why I don't do the over the chart and then sell like overbought oversold actually now that we are here let's do this do you know how to use GSS TSS GSS TTS you yeah okay perfect so in the market you know down theory I taught you before right yeah down theory that's only 3 trend that's like uptrend downtrend and sideways now it will classify by this thing the trend tunnel so the trend tunnel which is basically this little yellow line right here will tell you which trend it is if it's red it definitely is going downhill see bearish trend right here bearish trend so if it's red it's bearish trend so it go down that's why in this case I am aiming to actually placing a sell order now if the price actually is blue then it's going to be opposite it's going to be going up and when the price is yellow that's when it's sideways which means it's when I say sideways it doesn't mean that it has to have equal top and equal bottom okay sideways means that it doesn't fall into any one of the category either uptrend or downtrend it doesn't fall into that that's why it's sideways so it has like a nice symmetry sideways where it just have like a nice support and resistance all the way through and that is a bad sideways where it's very chaotic it go up then down break again doesn't break and then go up break again and then come down so that's a bad sideways and where we are right now we kind of see that the 5160 cannot break below that so it's still a manageable sideways and we can actually place our order on like the support but from my personal experience I don't like it it feels like it can break against me at any time so little bit of information there let's see if S70 can actually break down if it's not going up to 75 I'm tempted to actually sell it 5 more minutes guys 5 more minutes oh by the way that is I would like to explain this most theory come from the price so the decision to make to enter the trade based on two things based on the price and time can be based on the time So when I said that the order based on price is something like SMC, where you try to find the demand and supply zone and then wait for it to actually trigger that, then you're gonna have that sell follow, right? That's the that's the entering it by price. If it's not coming down to 70, I'm not getting in. If it doesn't go up to like 5203, 5205, I'm not getting in. And that's the buy and sell limit that they put on the order. So it is um, it is what most people taught. But I'm gonna show you one extra thing, which is entering by time. You know what I mean by entering by time?
No.
It's guessing that the player, I explained to you about the Asia session, London session, and the New York session, right? Well, here's the thing: whoever play in those sessions is gonna be the same person who played the next day.
Oh yeah, right.
So once you actually select your session, you will start to realize how those players in that session are playing. Like Asia now, they only buy. They like just at the for wait 1, 2, 3 hours and then skyrocket every single day. It's because like the Asia session is the first session that want to take over all the gold. So that's the fundamental reason. And when you do that, you know that majority of the time, the price not going to come below that. It's going to have a clear stop loss once. That's like a 2, 3 red candles. Then you're going to have a clear stop loss below the low. You wait for it to change the hour. That's what I mean by entering by time. You wait for it to change the hour, then you entering in on the next candle, hoping that the price not going to go down below your wick, and then it will go all the way up, and that's how you make a lot of profits. That's what I mean by entering by time. And today, right now, I'm actually entering by time because even though that's like a short signal, I'm actually waiting 3 more minutes to enter the short trade right now. Actually, you know what? Now that that's short signal, I might be entering right now, actually. Should I? Yeah, you know what? This looks good. I think if we're not taking this trade, I don't think I'm gonna have another chance. I'll wait 2 more minutes. Wait 2 more minutes, guys, and then we are gonna be entering short pretty soon here. Okay, so forget the uptrend scenario right now because it is very unlikely that we are gonna see the uptrend. We are definitely gonna see the downtrend, and we're gonna wait 2 more minutes. When the price changes here, when the price changes the candle right here in about 2 minutes, it's gonna change it right here, and that's gonna be a tiny green. Then it will be a huge red. The tiny green is the tail. Like as you can see, for example, there's barely any candle that doesn't leave a tail. Usually, every beginning of the candle, we have that kind of a spring effect where if you want to go long, you gotta go down really hard first and then boom, go all the way up. So I'm thinking of like it's a spring. So now that the price is actually confirmed, it's actually short right by the line. I will wait for it to jump up almost right here, come down, and then having that short signal again, and then I'll be entering. Be honest, because I am I'm getting a little bit early.
Yeah, sure. I mean, we can finish it up. Yeah. I think you can go up to the next.
Oh, it dropped hard. That's the 9 o'clock move. That's the 9 o'clock move, guys. That's the 9 o'clock move. If it dropped down below 60, anybody shorted. Anybody shorted it at 51.70. Does anybody shorted it at 51.70? I actually thought that I'm gonna wait for it to go up a little bit.
Okay.
Dude, nice! Your target? Don't need to put it at 60. I think it's gonna go much lower than that. If it does break though. If it does break. Nice! Sweetness! I was gonna enter and then I was like, I have actually I have no idea what I'm thinking. But like everything is actually confirmed. Everything is confirmed. I should put a shot there, but I thought that maybe it's beginning of the hour. I think I'll wait a little bit more for more confirmation, and then it dropped hard. Right now it dropped really hard. It dropped like 1 minute, 1 minute drop about like 300-400 points right here. It dropped like 300-400 points right now. Alright anybody ถ้าเกิดว่าได้เซลล์ไปแล้วนะฮะเมื่อกี้นี้ใครที่เซลล์ไปแล้วนะเนี่ยมันมาตามคลื่นเลยนะฮะแต่ว่ามันคลื่นมันเร็วไปหน่อยเนี่ยชัดเจนเลยเนี่ยคราวนี้ใครที่ได้เซลล์มาแล้วนะถือยาวฮะ Oh man เดี๋ยวเราจะได้เข้าออเดอร์นะฮะเดี๋ยวเราจะได้เข้าออเดอร์เข้ายังครับใกล้แล้วครับใกล้แล้วครับเดี๋ยวเราจะได้เข้าออเดอร์กันนะฮะเดี๋ยวจะเข้าออเดอร์ตอนที่ราคามันมาใกล้ๆ68เนี่ยผมว่าเดี๋ยวรอจังหวะนี้นะรอจังหวะนี้นะผมจะเข้าออเดอร์นะรอจังหวะนี้ผมจะเข้าออเดอร์นะโอ้โหเมื่อกี้นี้แตะ68แล้วยังไม่ยังเอาไม่ได้มาแล้วอย่าพึ่งนะอย่าพึ่งรีบอย่าพึ่งเล็บแซวนะ Ooh, wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is that? It doesn't break. It doesn't even come touch that 60. Okay. เซลแล้วครับเซลแล้วครับเซลแล้วครับที่58นะฮะ I'm selling right now เซลแล้วนะเมื่อกี้นี้ที่58นะฮะเซลแล้วนะที่58นะเมื่อกี้นี้เซลที่58แล้วนะเพราะว่าโหมันทิ้งตัวลงแรงมาก I'm selling right now I'm selling it with you man I'm selling it at 58 right now ไปแล้วนะครับใส่ไปแล้วนะครับเซลล์ไหมเซลล์ไปแล้วนะใส่ไหมเซลล์ไปแล้วนะ Let me just post it in the chat here 1 second Okay we're in the position and Wow. Wow. Check it out. Check out the drop, man. Check out the drop. Dude, that's unreal. I can't even type this fast enough. Looks like we're gonna see a quick win, man.
Good. Yeah, very good.
Dude, let's see the drop right now. Let's see the drop. Come on. Break like this is a key level though. If it cannot break below 60, then it is very unlikely to go all the way down. So the 60 level is key. If it cannot break, then it's done. If it can break, we can just sit back, relax, and let the things do its thing. Yeah, like you can just put the TP at like 2,000 point and just drive all the way back home. Easy, easy, easy day. And yeah, like day like today is very easy. เดี๋ยวให้ดูนะฮะตรงนี้ไป like days like today can be very easy, but there are some days that it's just like I think this is gonna buy, this is gonna sell right here, and then it shoot up. I'm gonna buy right here, and then it shoot down. Selling it at 51.68 is already on. I'm already in the position. Sorry. I don't know if I specify that hard enough. I'm already in the position at 51.68. You could enter now. Stop loss is gonna be a little bit further out though. Um, right now the stop loss is gonna be at 173. So you will have you still have the 1,000 point stop loss, but right now it is very likely that it could go down further. So you need to press the button right now. That's why it's really important, guys, to actually come to a live trading event because I can check to see if anybody following the live trade. You can sell at 150. Oh, it's 68, 60, not 50, 68. Um, selling right now at 168. That's that's why. Sorry, my bad. That's why I'm saying I saw the shot and then it came back. This is the chance that it came back to retest. So I'm saying sell now, sell now, sell right now, and that's when I actually did enter the trade. Next time, you know what? Next time I'm gonna bring a bell. You know that little ring bell,
Yeah.
the ping 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 ping. Yeah, I'm gonna do that because like a lot of people said that. Oh, I don't know if you are entering it or not. Well, I did enter it right now. I did enter it right now. I posted on the group as well. Boy, have you been in the group yet? If you register with the Connect, you will be in the group, the Discord group, and that's where I took my time when I was quiet a little bit there because I took my time to post the and caption my stop loss and target and everything to the groups. So if you want to join, definitely contact CR Trader to open the port for you. Okay. ตอนนี้เซลล์ไปแล้วนะฮะตอนนี้ก็บวกแล้วนะครับบวกแล้วประมาณ400-500จุดนะฮะตอนนี้เดี๋ยวรอดูว่ามันจะทิ้งตัวลงไปต่ำกว่านี้ได้หรือเปล่าถ้าเกิดไม่ได้นี่ก็น่าซิดนะฮะไม่ซิดหรอก stop loss ตอนนี้เลื่อนมาที่500จุดแล้วนะฮะ so but there's nothing what do you mean only what oh right huh? What do you mean only one group? Let me capture it for you. You should be seeing something like this here. There shouldn't be just one group. Sorry, there should be a bunch of groups in there. You can ask still CR trader that you haven't seen anything on Discord group, but here is. One second, boy, where are you? Wait. Oh, right. I forgot. I used the other phone. One sec. One sec. One sec. Oh, it's sucked all the way back up. No way. If it did not turn around right here, I'm going to put my stop loss at break even. Okay, boy, I just sent over how the Discord should looks like. You should be seeing a lot of room there. Of course, my room is number 7 for the master signal. I only have this. Uh-oh. Okay, ask CR Trader. Huh. Okay, ask CR Trader to get into the Wealthiness Wealthiness Academy Discord. And then he will guide you through to that. My apologies. Oh no. It did not reach that once 158, does it? Uh, it doesn't reach 157. Come on. All right. Anybody who haven't get into the trade, you can get in right now at around 165, 166. This is actually a good trade to be having as well. So let's see. Okay. Husky, I'll be right back. Is there a link for me to join? Um, ask CR Trader. He will send you the the link and the what do you call it? Like all the details on how to join. He actually is the one who do the admin on how to do this as well. So like he's really good in the back end. So ask CR Trader. I'm gonna teach you how to trade, but the background on how to join the group in the Discord has to ask CR Trader. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, nice. Nowadays, because the model is so unpredictable, some researchers said that if it's blue, take it. like if the price is actually green just take it เดี๋ยวแป๊บหนึ่งนะฮะตอนนี้นะครับผมรู้สึกว่ามันจะย้อนกลับมาที่ break even แล้วนะ my god ถ้ามันไม่ลงจากตรงนี้นะผมว่าเราอาจจะต้องคัดนะถ้าเกิดมันไม่ลงจากตรงนี้นะเตรียมคัดนะ stop loss stop loss เลื่อนลงมาเลยนะ stop loss เลื่อนลงมาเลยอยู่ที่500จุดนะฮะ I'm actually putting my stop loss at like 500 points right now I'm changing it I'm changing my stop loss to 500 points I don't want to risk any more than 500 today I'm changing my risk to 500 points right now เลื่อนstop loss ลงมา500จุดพอนะทุกคนตอนนี้นะตอนนี้เลื่อน stop loss มา500จุดนะและถ้าเกิดว่ามันลงมาถึง500จุดถึง1,000จุดเนี่ยรีบเก็บเลยนะรีบเก็บเลยนะผมว่าผมจะเก็บแบบทั้งหมดเลยด้วยซ้ำนะถ้าเกิดมันลงมาถึง1,000จุดเนี่ยเพราะว่าเอาจริงๆมันมาเหมือนเดิมเป๊ะเลยคือมันลงมา60แล้วมันก็ไม่ลงต่อนะครับแปลว่ามันไม่มีแรงที่จะดีดลงเลย Dude, I don't see the momentum on the bear at all. If this time, now that it's becoming red, if it cannot break below 65, I'm not gonna have any hope on this. I'm not gonna have any hope on this trade. เดี๋ยวรอดูนะฮะ ถ้าเกิดจุดนี้นะ ไม่ลงมาต่ำกว่า65ผมอาจจะปล่อยออเดอร์นี้ไปนะฮะ ผมขอรอดูสัก2 candle เนี่ย ถ้าเกิดว่า2แท่งเทียนมันยังไม่สามารถทิ้งตัวลงมาต่ำกว่า65ได้ผมจะปิดออเดอร์นะขอ2แท่งเทียนนะฮะผมขอแค่2แท่งเทียนนะ Dude I'm waiting right now for like only this 2 candle right now come on dude it's about to break break 65 dude if it breaks 65 this time I'm gonna secure my profit for sure it was dancing around the 60 and I was like yeah it could break now I'm not gonna have any hope if it comes down to 60 again I'm taking it man I'm taking my like 700 or 800 points in not gonna wait like the whole 1000 point at all this is what I mean by trading is like an art you know because if you are too strict to your rule that you want that 1000 point well you can see that's like a support right there and that's only like 200-300 points left don't be don't be a robot and say that I will have that exact 200-300 point dude that's like a huge support here you don't want to mess with that if it's profit you book it in your pocket and you already know that you don't want to risk it if you were to enter right there so that's why it's very important to like I said when you are a robot, you don't have this kind of thing. And that's why the bot trade will blue most accounts. But when you have that knowledge and then you have some, a little bit of a forgiveness in your trading, you will go a long way. And that's how I actually make a lot of money too. So, like that's how I can survive in this market. It's not to be too strict. Like you want to stick by your rules, but don't be too strict to your rules, and that's what I'm gonna do with you right here. Yeah, come on, break 60, break 65. That's all I'm asking right now. Come on, it's gotta break 65 right here. Come on. เดี๋ยวรอดูนะฮะตอนนี้ว่ามันจะเบรก65หรือเปล่านะครับ เมื่อกี้นี้ใครที่ไม่ได้เข้าออเดอร์สามารถเข้าเมื่อกี้นี้นะฮะได้ออเดอร์พร้อมกันนะ so you said that you haven't taken the order did you really take your position over here at 68 did you take that position at 68 boy right here I will wait for the 60 to be broken which should happen in the next 9 minutes it should happen in the next 9 minutes because if it doesn't dude we are gonna see it going all the way back up right now เดี๋ยวรอนะฮะตอนนี้ผมรอว่าราคามันจะแบบทิ้งตัวลงมาต่ำกว่า60ได้หรือเปล่าแต่ซัพพอร์ตแรงมาก dude I don't think it's coming down man I don't think it's coming down จบละเมื่อกี้นี้คือมันลงไปไม่ถึง65แล้วก็ดีดขึ้นมาแล้วนะโอ้ yeah that's not what I want to see เดี๋ยวถ้าเกิดเรารออีก1แท่งเทียนถ้าเกิดว่าแท่งเทียนต่อไปยังไม่สามารถทิ้งตัวลงมาต่ำกว่า68ได้ให้เราคัดนะออเดอร์เนี้ย so we are going to wait one more candle and that's it one more candle right here if the next candle is not red meaning that it cannot break down below here below 60 and it does break above 70 that's when we said we are done because it is very likely that it going above 5170 and just keep on climbing higher because that is the psychology level เดี๋ยวรอนะฮะตอนนี้ dude right here โอ้อันไหนใครได้ออเดอร์มาบ้างครับเมื่อกี้นี้ใครได้เบิ้ลไม้เลยใครได้ออเดอร์มาบ้างครับเมื่อกี้นี้เมื่อกี้กับเซลล์ไปแล้วนะฮะเราถือเซลล์นี่แบบเสียวสันหลังวาบๆนะครับแต่ว่าถ้าเกิดว่าใครเมื่อกี้นี้ขึ้นไป70แล้วก็ได้ออเดอร์นั้นมานี่โอ้โหพีคจัดเลยนะใจกล้ามากนะครับ so right now I am don't know if the price will go up higher or not it's pretty much 50-50 right here I hate this. I hate not having the momentum to doing this. Cause like cause this is the thing. If it has the momentum, you can see all this big red, all the short signal, all the C short, and that should be the momentum to only stay up here and then come all the way down. That's what it should be. However, if you take a look at this half-hour candle, I didn't expect it to wait this long. Like, look at this candle right here. I didn't expect it to, I would wait this long so that it will form this huge green, like about to turn around candle. That's why I'm saying that this order right here, if it does hit a stop loss, put stop loss 500 point because that shows me, especially in about 5 minutes, that's going to be a change of the half-hour candle. That tells me next candle is going to be green. That's what I mean by trading by time นะฮะอ่ะจะบอกงี้ว่าตอนที่ผมเทรดอ่ะเดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงนะผมว่าแบตจะหมดละตอนที่ผมเทรดนะฮะคือ okay it's about to hit a stop loss at 500 point damn it I should have secured that 500 point when it came down earlier I thought it's gonna go down a lot more like I sincerely thought it's gonna go down a lot more nope okay done จบฮะวันนี้ เดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงนะ ขอเปลี่ยน ขอเปลี่ยนไลฟ์แป๊บหนึ่งนะ Dude, don't tell me it's just gonna trigger that. Kazuki, look. It just came down. Did you get do you get stopped out?
No, okay.
Oh, nice. Good, good, good. That is insane. I'm not playing. I'm not playing, man. There's no volume. There's there's no volume and it's very unpredictable. ตอนนี้ผมโดน stop loss ไปแล้วนะ ใครอยากถือต่อสามารถถือได้นะ เพราะว่าทรงเนี้ยมันเหมือนแค่จะเข้าไปกวาด stop loss แล้วก็ดีดลงมานะครับ so Kazuki my student he still haven't stopped out yet so you could just as well hold it and I think it has a high probability that it can go to my target however I am almost 50-50 on whether it's going up or down. So without the day that has no volume like today, even with after the news, I don't think I want to play anymore. อ้าวทำไมหน้าผมเป็นอย่างนั้นน่ะงงเลย เดี๋ยวแป๊บนึง โอเคโอเค perfect อ่ะ ก็เดี๋ยวรีแคปนะฮะวันนี้คือเรามองว่ามันมีสัญญาณเซลล์ช็อตเนี่ยตรงนี้เราช็อตลงมาได้แล้วนะครับเกือบ 1,000 จุดนะแต่ว่ามันไม่ถึงนะครับเพราะฉะนั้นไม่ถึงทาร์เก็ตแรกของเราแล้วมันก็สวนกลับไปตอนแรกคิดว่ามันจะกลับลงมาแล้วซะด้วยแต่มันไม่กลับลงมาเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยพอมันขึ้นไปแตะเส้น Tunnel แล้วผมอยากคัดลอตที่500จุดนะฮะผมไม่อยากที่จะมี SL อยู่ถึง 1,000 จุดเพราะความไม่ชัวร์ในตลาดเนี้ยมันเยอะมากเลยในวันนี้นะครับเพราะฉะนั้นวันนี้ก็จะถือเป็นวัน SL ของผมอีกวันหนึ่งแล้วกันนะฮะตอนแรกว่ากะว่าเฮ้ยวันนี้จะมาเท่ๆมาเอา TP แต่ว่าไม่ได้เกิดขึ้นนะครับก็ขอขอบคุณทุกคนมากที่เข้ามาไลฟ์เทรดวันนี้ด้วยนะครับ so boy I hope to see you we can actually set up a meeting over like Google Meet or something like that because I want to go through like the content and the 1 year program so that you actually have the layout of what's the homework, what need to be done, and how to move on each levels, and then we can actually go up from there. Today, I hit my stop loss at like about 500 points. I don't want to risk any more than that. If you are still holding it, well, congratulations, then it is coming down now. You could actually hold it for some time longer, but for me personally, I I couldn't get a read on today. Like right after this drop right here, it should continue. It doesn't, and it came up here, and now I don't know. I have no idea now. If it's gonna go up, go down, sideways, I have no idea. So when I have no idea, I rather not be in the trade. So if you are actually in the trade right now, I am. Oh, nice. You actually get another trade in? Nice. Oh, dude, it's dropping hard right now. It's dropping really hard right now.
Oh, yeah.
Dude. Dude, nice. Yeah, stop loss at break even right now, guys. Stop loss at break even right now.
It's gonna hit my target profit.
Dude,
Oh,
dude. That's what I'm saying. That when it comes down, it's gonna come down really hard right here. Dude, I saw no volume before. What the heck? Dude, that is crazy. Yeah, trailing stop, man. Trailing stop right now. Trailing stop right now. That's great. Dude. Let's go, baby. So for those of you who haven't hit that stop loss yet, well, congratulations, because now it came down. Boom, bam, baby. Sweet. Nice one. So that hit our target at, what is it?
It's 2,000 point.
Nice. So we hit target at 2,000 point, and actually I will have to go take a look at if it hit my stop loss or not. If it doesn't, then that's gonna count as our target for today. Well, there we go. Funny thing is, ONDA doesn't show. It's like really delayed. That's weird. Yeah, everything else is already 55. ONDA just froze. Wow. I'm kind of surprised ONDA froze. So yeah, we hit our target in 1 minute. Jesus Christ, dude. That's the way to do it. All right, we hit 2,000 points in 1 minute. I was about to give up, and I was just like, dude, no way. If anybody is holding it, congratulations นะครับเมื่อกี้นี้ตอนแรกผมปิดไปแล้วนะแต่ในอีกตัวหนึ่งแต่ว่าอีกตัวหนึ่งที่ผมยังไม่ได้ปิดคือตัวที่ผมให้ในกลุ่ม Signal นะครับ so did you actually take profit today, boy? Did you actually hold it through? Did you hold it through? That was amazing. That was amazing. Amazing selling right there. Wow. Hit target, bounce up right away. Just pure profits. Dude, that was really nice. And แล้วถ้าเกิดว่าใครปิดไปแล้วผมขออภัยด้วยนะฮะคือเมื่อกี้นี้ผมไม่ได้เล่นตามเกมไปหน่อยควรจะให้ซับลอสอยู่ที่ประมาณ 1,000 จุดนั่นแหละแล้วพอมันแบบมันขึ้นไปผมก็บอกว่าแอบกลัวเล็กน้อยนะฮะผมก็เลยปิดไปแต่ว่าถ้าใครยังถืออยู่ตามเกมที่มีซับลอส 1,000 TP 2,000 วันนี้ได้ทาร์เก็ตไปเรียบร้อยนะฮะก็ยินดีด้วยสำหรับใครที่ได้ทาร์เก็ตไปในวันนี้นะครับผมโอเคและเดี๋ยววันนี้เดี๋ยวผมจะขอตัวลงไลฟ์ก่อนนะฮะวันนี้ใครอยากถือต่อสามารถถือต่อไปได้นะครับเพราะว่าดูทรงแล้วเนี่ยอาจจะลงได้ยาวๆเลยนะครับแต่ในฐานะที่วันนี้ผมมาไลฟ์เทรดวันนี้ก็ฮิตทาร์เก็ตไปเรียบร้อยและเดี๋ยวไว้เจอกันใหม่ในวันในเดือนหน้านะครับเจอกันใหม่ในเดือนหน้าแล้วเดี๋ยวผมจะสรุปทุกอย่างให้ภายในเดือนนี้นะฮะ Alright so I'll see you after this boy have a good one see you later bye guys ไปแล้วครับ TP แล้วเรียบร้อย done
Actually skipped.
dude that's insane that's insane
It look a bit different from the
right like I'm pretty sure okay see you bye bye